Welcome to Bible Jews. Biblical Place, Background and Significance Series. Ziklag, a lesser-known place in the Bible, but filled with powerful lessons of pain, patience, and divine restoration. Ziklag was a town in the Negev region of Judah, and it became significant during the life of David, Israel's future king. The story unfolds in 1 Samuel 27 and 30. Fleeing from King Saul, David sought refuge among the Philistines. Achish, the king of Gath, gave him Ziklag, and David lived there for over a year. It became a place of temporary shelter, but also a place of testing. In 1 Samuel 30, while David and his men were away, the Amalekites attacked Ziklag. They burned it to the ground and took their families captive. When David and his men returned, they were devastated. So David and his men wept aloud until they had no strength left to weep. 1 Samuel 30 verse 4. But the story doesn't end in despair. David strengthened himself in the Lord, v.6, sought God's guidance, and pursued the raiders. By God's help, he recovered everything. Nothing was missing, young or old, boy or girl, plunder or anything else they had taken. 1 Samuel 30 verse 19. Significance of Ziklag. 1. A place of deep personal loss, but also of spiritual strengthening. 2. It was the turning point before David would finally be crowned king. 3. Ziklag teaches us that even in our lowest valleys, God is preparing our next victory. Are you going through a Ziklag season? Don't give up. Seek the Lord, and watch Him restore what was lost. Subscribe to Bible Jews for more powerful biblical insights that connect the past to your present journey.